What's up, my homies? It's your homegirl Natalie, and I'm here with my little baby boy Albie because he will be helping me pick out my outfits. What? Yes, you heard it right. So what I did is I just laid out 3 items, and whichever one he chooses, I need to create a whole outfit based off of that one item. And I tried to make these kind of like more winter appropriate. If you know me, I don't really dress the best for winter time, but I try to make these outfits as winter appropriate as I could. Some of them aren't, but some of them are. So, I mean, I hope you guys enjoy that. And also a really big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Yay! I really hope you guys will show your support for Squarespace by clicking the link that I have in the description box, and I will see you guys at the end. Bye, enjoy. Okay, out we go. Oh, good boy. Our first look.
Oh my god, I look like Willy Wonka. The Johnny Depp version. Oh my.
Now this was just a dress, but you don't always have to wear it as a dress. You could always double it up as like a mini little robe. So I just tied it in the back because it has all these colors. That basically just made the outfit for me. I just took colors from the actual item and put that into my outfit. And I just threw on this navy turtleneck. Now this is actually from the GU Extra Warm, which if you guys know Uniqlo Heat Tech, it's basically the same thing but just cheaper. So even though I'm just wearing a turtleneck, I know it's gonna keep me warm when I go outside. I won't be showing you anything with like a whole bunch of outerwear because I am someone that once it gets to a point where it gets really cold, I just stay in my one long padding jacket, which basically just looks like a sleeping bag. Do you like it?
Okay, thank you.
Up we go. See, I knew you were gonna go for those. Okay, so we got to these brown corduroy pants that I wear all the time. I wanted to go with more of a brown palette, some brown shoes. I got the really cool printed blouse, and I also have my hat that I got when I was at Cusco. I've been wanting one of these hats for the longest time. Depending on the right angle, it kind of looks like I'm cosplaying Bob Ross. I can't wait to wear this hat in this Korean winter. This is super warm. And I also added a little pop with this orange belt because it went with the printed shirt that I have. If I could just add in little bits and pieces of color, why not? What do you think? Do you like it? Is it cute? Blink for yes. Okay, thank you. Go, Abby. I thought, why not try to mix it up, try to clash some patterns. So I picked this really, really colorful sweater that I got from YesStyle. I think this is definitely an outfit where you gotta put on that extra little layer of confidence to wear out to lessen the severity of how colorful and pattern clashing this is I added in some solid pieces like this big old cardigan and along with some black boots. You could always wear super thick leggings underneath. You could even wear another undershirt underneath this sweater if you want to get some extra warmth. Yeah, there we go. Feel, 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 feel. You like? Oh, I kind of wanted that one. Eat one of these. Albie, come here. Eat one of these. Okay, good. Good boy. Now we get to look number 4. I know. Is this winter? Nah. But some tips. I would wear probably some leggings underneath. Honestly, what I would just do right now is just put on a really big jacket and call it a day. He thinks we're going outside. Sorry, baby boy, but we ain't. We ain't going outside. Mama's doing work. To make it more appropriate for winter time, let me throw on some accessories and let's see how that just changes the whole look. Now you're all nice and warm. He fell asleep. No more commentary from the puppy. Okay. Up, down. Sit. Good boy. Go. Ta-da! This is so reminiscent of those old blogger days. I feel like when everyone was wearing kind of this type of combination. I put on some tights, have some knee-high boots. A sweater is always going to keep you nice and cozy, but just in case if you need some extra warmth, I also threw in a turtleneck underneath. So this one is a GU Warm, which is essentially like Uniqlo Heat Tech. And if it ends up getting too hot, you could just always take this off and then you'll be good. Actually looks very like Christmassy, you know, we got the red, green. I should wear this. Oh. Albie. Good boy. Okay, so here we get to this cow print dress that I got from YesStyle. I went with some thigh highs, okay, getting some extra warm. I also kept the same GU warm turtleneck underneath, and then I put in this little crop sweater. Now what you could always do is, again, once you get too hot, it'll be this way. Always about adding in little layers here and there. Also, if you're not someone that likes to look too boxy, what I do suggest is wearing a little belt and then just tucking the sweater, and it just creates some type of like waistline. So this might be another little alternative for you. So put on a beret, and I also threw on Miss De Chanel. Have it go. Oh, got a winner. So now we get to the blue heel outfit. I thought, why not go with this gradient jeans look? Because the main focus are these shoes, I thought let's keep the rest of it simple. So I just went with my black turtleneck that I've been wearing for the past 2 outfits. I added in a little scarf, extra little detail. I feel like this looks expensive because it's so simple, if that makes sense. Underneath, I'm wearing my tights again. You could obviously wear thicker leggings. I mean, I guess if I wanted to add in a little something, a little cardigan. I am shiny. I'm DVD. My name is Mean Ho Shiny right now. Ooh. There we go. Here we have a graphic t-shirt which I want to showcase this beautiful artwork, alright, from my girl MJ. Please support your local black owned businesses, so please check out MJ Artistry. But even though it's getting colder, you could still definitely wear your graphic tees in the winter. All you gotta do is just do some additional layering. I don't know, I was getting like a little bit of like a retro vibe, so that's why I went with some acid wash jeans. Kept this color palette fairly neutral except for the actual graphic itself. That's why I decided to put on a blue beret. Okay, go. So here we get to our final look. For this one, I just wanted this to be the statement piece, so I kept the rest of the outfit just all neutral with all black everything. I was gonna wear a bralette, but I didn't have a bralette that covered up enough skin, so instead I just wore a bandeau. I'm really digging this. Again, with anything that you want to wear as a statement piece, just make the rest of your outfit neutral, especially if you're not someone who's used to wearing statement pieces. I think this is definitely something that you're gonna have to wear with a little bit more confidence if you're not used to showing off this much skin, which I definitely am not. You made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much. I mean, I hope you're still watching, right? Please, no, come on. Let me know which outfit was your favorite in the comment down below. And again, of course, a really big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Squarespace has so many features for you to use when building your website. For example, all images hosted on Squarespace can be edited directly within their built-in browser. You can crop, resize, rotate, adjust the brightness, all of that good stuff. So this goes beyond if you're a photographer or artist. This also helps if you're trying to make an e-commerce site for your business. They even have a merchandising feature to make sure that your products will look their best. And all of these designs include a mobile experience where you can see how your site will look like on a mobile device, which you already know we stay on our phones 24/7, so having a website that looks good on your phone is a really big plus, and more so a must. You know, with whatever you want to show the world, Squarespace is an all-in platform for you to do it on, homies. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, head on over to squarespace.com/YOHOMEGIRL to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Sorry, baby boy, I know you're probably like, come on, we get a Squarespace, click on the link in the description box. I'm hoping is what he's saying. Thank you so much, homies, for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure when you go outside to wear a mask and be safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye. I'll be safe. Bye bye. ¿Qué es eso? Look at that. Bye.